Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will sketch the disc plate model. The sketch is shown on the right. Here you can see one isometric view and one detailed view of the drawing. Let's start. Starting a new part document, for which choose the new button from the menu bar. The new SolidWorks document dialog box opens. So we'll go to new button. Next, choose the part button and choose the OK button. So we'll choose the part button and choose the OK button. Next, creating the base feature of the disc plate, for which choose the extruded boss base button from the features command manager. So we are already in the features command manager and we'll select the extruded boss base button. Select the front plane as the sketching plane. So we'll select the front plane. Choose the circle tool from the sketch command manager. So we'll go to circle drop down, select on circle, draw two circles using the circle tool. Click on the origin, drag your mouse outwards and again click OK. Choose the smart dimension tool from the sketch command manager and enter diameter value 64 and 250 mm. So we'll go to smart dimension, click on the inner circle, again click and put the value 64, click OK. Again click on the outer circle, click here and put the value 250 mm and click OK. Now extrude the circle, select the midplane option from the end condition drop down list of the direction 1 rollout in the boss extrude property manager and set the value of depth spinner to 8 mm, for which select OK, exit from here, and in the direction 1 it should be midplane and put the value 8 mm, click OK. Next, creating the second feature, for which choose the extruded cut button from the features command manager. So we are already in the features command manager and we'll select the extruded cut button. Select the front planar face of the base feature as the sketching plane. So we'll select the front planar face. Select the inner circular edge of the base feature and use the convert entities and offset entities. So we'll select the inner circular edge and convert entities and offset entities. Select the circle and set the value of offset distance spinner to 35 mm in the parameters rollout of the property manager and draw the sketch. So put the value 35, click OK. Now we'll draw the sketch. So now choose the mirror entities button to mirror certain entities. So select the mirror entities, entities to mirror, select this line and mirror about, select the center line, click OK. Choose the trim entities button to trim unwanted entities in the sketch. So select the trim entities. Next, apply angular dimensions and relations using the smart dimension tool. So we'll go to smart dimension, select on this line and this line, the value is 17, enter. So as you can see, our sketch is not fully defined. To make it fully defined, we have to apply some constraints and also make some construction geometry, for which go to line tool, select the center line, click on this line and here and here. Go to display and delete relations drop down, click here, add relations, select on this line and this line and select collinear, click OK. Now go to smart dimension tool, select this line and this and put the value 36, click OK. So now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Next, select the up to next option from the end condition drop down list of the direction 1 rollout in the cut extrude property manager. So exit, and in direction 1 up to next, so we'll select the select contours, click OK. Next, patterning the features, for which choose the circular pattern tool from the linear pattern flyout from the features command manager. So we are already in the features command manager. We'll go to linear pattern, select the circular pattern. Next, open the feature manager design tree and select the cut extrude 1. So open the feature manager design tree, select the cut extrude 1. Click on the pattern axis selection box of the direction 1 rollout and then select the circular edge of the base feature. So click here and here. Next, set the value of number of instances spinner to 5 in the direction 1 rollout and make sure the equal spacing radio button is selected. Also set the value of angle to 360. So it's already equal spacing and angle is 360. Put the value 5 and click OK. Next, creating the fill pattern of the predefined hole, for which choose the fill pattern button from the linear pattern flyout in the features command manager. So we are in the features command manager, go to linear pattern, select fill pattern, select the front circular face of the model as the area to be filled from the drawing area in the selection box of the fill boundary rollout. So in fill boundary rollout, select the face. Next, select the create seed cut radio button from the feature and face rollout of the property manager. So go down in the feature and face rollout, select create seed cut, choose circle and set the diameter spinner to 9 mm. So select circle, put the value 9. Next, choose the circular button from the pattern layout rollout and set the value of loop spacing to 95 mm. So we'll go up in pattern layout, select circular button and put the value 95. Also choose the instance per loop spacing radio button and set the value to 25 mm. So instance per loop spacing and put the value 25, click OK. Next, creating the fillet feature, for which choose the fillet button from the features command manager. So select the fillet, select edges to be filleted and select the constant size fillet button in the fillet type rollout of the property manager and set the value of radius spinner to 6.5 mm. So we have already selected the constant size fillet and radius spinner will be 6.5, and now we'll select the edges to be filleted. Click OK. Now saving the model, for which invoke the save as dialog box by choosing the save button from the menu bar and browse to the location of the motorcycle project. Also, enter the name of the model as displayed in the file name edit box and choose the save button from the dialog box. Now, go to save drop down, select save as, go to documents, select motorcycle project, put the value disk plate and select save. Thanks for watching this video.